If you drink coffee every single day, but still struggle with stubborn weight, low energy or slow results, stop right now. Because Java Burn 2.0 claims you can simply add a tasteless powder to your morning coffee to support weight management, without changing what you eat or how you live. But does it really work, or is this just another overhyped weight loss supplement? Let's break it down honestly. Hey, welcome back. In this Java Burn 2.0 review, I'll explain what it is, how it works, what's inside, who it's for, and I'll also show you how to get my exclusive bonus gifts for free if you decide it's right for you. This is an educational review, not medical advice, just real information so you can decide wisely. What is Java Burn 2.0? Java Burn 2.0 is a dietary supplement powder designed to be mixed into your daily cup of coffee. It's tasteless, dissolves easily, and is meant to work alongside coffee to help support metabolism, energy levels, and weight management goals as part of a healthy lifestyle. Instead of asking you to follow extreme diets, skip meals or overhaul your routine, Java Burn 2.0 fits into something you already do every morning: drink coffee. Benefits. What Java Burn 2.0 is designed to support. People typically use Java Burn 2.0 to support a healthy metabolism, natural energy levels, better focus and alertness, healthy weight management efforts, and consistency with daily wellness habits. The idea is simplicity, no complicated schedules, just one scoop added to coffee daily. It's designed for people who want a gentle, sustainable approach rather than extreme methods. Inside Java Burn 2.0, how it works. Java Burn 2.0 contains a blend of natural ingredients chosen to complement coffee. The formula focuses on supporting metabolic processes, helping the body use energy efficiently, and supporting overall daily vitality. It's manufactured in facilities that follow quality standards, and it's non-GMO, stimulant-free beyond coffee itself, and easy to use. Results vary from person to person, consistency and lifestyle matter. Results and AMP. Expectations. Some users report feeling more energized, better consistency with wellness routines, and gradual changes over several weeks. This is not an overnight fix. Most people evaluate results over 60 days while maintaining normal healthy habits. 60-day money-back guarantee. One important thing to know, Java Burn 2.0 comes with a full 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free and decide for yourself whether it fits your lifestyle, no pressure. If you grab Java Burn 2.0 through my link below, you'll also receive these free bonuses. Bonus 1. Morning Fat Loss Ritual Guide, regular price, $79 today, free. A simple daily wellness guide that shows how to build a morning routine that supports energy, metabolism and healthy weight goals, even if you're busy. Bonus 2. Clean Eating Cheat Sheet for Weight Balance, regular price, $79 today, free. This digital guide shares simple food swaps, portion-friendly tips and easy habits that support weight balance without extreme dieting. Total bonus value, $158, free. So, is Java Burn 2.0 worth trying? If you already drink coffee and want a simple, low-effort way to support your weight management journey, Java Burn 2.0 is absolutely worth considering. And with the 60-day guarantee plus free bonuses, there's very little risk. Click the link in the description below. Try Java Burn 2.0 today, unlock your free bonuses and decide for yourself. Thanks for watching, see you in the next review.